Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to my yoga stretching class. We will do a full body stretch guided by the breath. So, let's start in a comfortable seated position of your choice. Maybe Vajradasana, maybe just Schneider sits, or like the half lotus sits, and focus for a moment. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a deep inhale in the stomach and a long exhale. Very good. And let's arrive in the here and now. So, straighten your spine, nice and long. And inhale, and your shoulders come up as far as possible, and with the exhale, let them sink down. Very nice. One more time. Inhale, put them up as far as possible to the tips of your hair, and exhale down. Yes. Let the noise come out, and inhale one more time. Everything that you don't need in that class, exhale and down. Very nice. Once the shoulders up and down. Very good. Okay, all right, let's start. Let's start in the tabletop position. When you exhale, we enter the cat position. Use your whole possibility of movement and to the cow position. Nice and gentle. One more time. And if you want, you can start to make some circles and move a bit to the back and front. So you also warm up your hips a bit, your wrists a bit. Very nice. Okay, exhale. And we arrive in the child's pose. You can move forward with your fingertips to really stretch long. And with the next inhale, we dive into the cobra position. Very good. And exhale one more time, the child's pose. Nice and long. And inhale, move forward. Follow the movement like a wave. One last time. Very good. Put up your tippy toes and we arrive in the first gentle downward dog. You can bend your knees if you want and just stretch your butt up really as high as possible, and you can move one heel down and then another, and let's walk your dog. If you're ready, you can also place both down. Yes. Just the back is nice and long. Very good. So with the next inhale, the right leg moves up. Really push your hands on the mat as far as possible. You can also open your hip. And with the exhale, the knee comes to your chest. Very good. One more time. Inhale, stretch it out. And with the next exhale, the knee arrives to your right elbow. Exactly. Stretch it out. The left foot firmly on the ground. And exhale the left elbow. Stretch it out. And exhale, place the foot between both of your hands. The left leg comes down to the mat as well. And inhale, we raise the arms up. Stretch it up, shoulders are nice and loose. And with the exhale, you bend backwards. One more time. Up and back in the moon position. And with the next inhale, we come forward with our hands back on the mat. Stretch out and flex the right foot. And we arrive in the runner stretch. Yes. Try to put your lower belly to your upper leg. 2 nice breaths here and really try to relax. Very good. With the next inhale, the weight moves forward to the front and the right foot moves to the left side of the mat. Let's put down our whole right leg. You can adjust the depth of your stretch by moving the leg a bit more forward to you or away from you. Then it's more intense. And the left hip wants to go down. So let's arrive on our fingertips and flow a bit. With the exhale, you come down, and with the inhale up, use your whole possibility of movement. Two breaths in your own rhythm. And with the next inhale and exhale, come down. Put down your underarms, or if you want, also your whole arms, and let's lay down on the ground. If you want, you can again move forward with your fingertips. Your left hip is on the ground. And breathe. Very good. Then help yourself up again with your hands. So we keep the right leg on the ground and the left one too. So in a rotating way, we just end up on the long side of our mat. Both feet as close as possible to your butt and the knees in one line. Very good. And we inhale once again, stretch up, shoulders nice and loose, and with the exhale, you again kiss with your lower belly, your upper legs. Move forward with your fingertips if you want. And enjoy the stretch on your right buttocks. Two deep breaths here. And really extend your exhale. Nice. And with the next inhale, roll back up. Very good. And the left leg comes to the front. Put it up. And the right one comes to the back. So we're gonna stretch this side a bit. Yes, stretch your right hip. And with the next inhale, arms back up, shoulders nice and loose. Check if your head can move freely. And with the next inhale, we come a bit more down. Once again, lift and exhale back. The belly is engaged. Engage the stomach. And with the engagement, we come back forward to the front. And we stretch the left leg. Flex it. Nice. It's always about the connection from your belly to your leg. Exactly. Your head is nice and loose. One more deep inhale here. And exhale. Surrender to the stretch. Good. Enjoy it. Inhale, weight shifts forward And the left foot wants to come to the right side of the mat. Let's enter pigeon pose. Very good. Up on your fingertips, we flow, guided by our breath. Right hip wants to come to the ground. Two more breaths. Inhale and exhale, stay down. Arms come down. You can stretch them if you want. Depending if you also want to stretch your back. And surrender. We stay here for 2 more breaths. And with the next inhale, come back up. Very good. Come back to the long side of your mat. Now we open both legs. We can put your fingers on your hips once and try to sit on your buttocks. Nice. Put the hands together. Inhale, and we're cooking a really big soup right here, right now. Yes. Change the side and try to come as far as possible on the ground. Like you really want to reach the ground of your soup. All right. Very good. Shake out your legs. Move them more close to you. And we arrive in Malasana squat. You can open your hips with your elbows on your knees. Shift your weight. Very good. And let's open up a bit more wide. Very good. Let's just stay down here. You can grab your toes or your feet, whatever you can grab, and pour yourself by bending your elbows between your legs. Let's stay here for 2 more breaths. Very good. Now we clasp our hands together. Yes, let them fall over your head, and if possible, move them a bit. It may not be possible to move them too much, but afterwards feel very good. Nice. All right. Vertebra by vertebra, come up slowly. All right. Let's do a tiny bit of activation. Arms in cactus position. And we're gonna come up on our tippy toes and squat. We will do that 2 more times. And on the last, we have a lion's breath. I show it to you once. It looks like this. Exactly. Maybe you wanna exhale something you don't need today or tonight, whenever you're watching this. Very good. All right. Both tips of the feet to one side. And inhale, stretch up, and with the exhale, we come down. Both legs are stretched. Very good. So, if you want, you can flow again a bit here for some mobility. Just 2 breaths. Come back up. Nice. And to the other side of the mat. Exhale. Nice. Very good. So, Let's move to the front of our mat. Both feet are facing forward. Step with both feet to the front of your mat. And we're gonna do a small twist. Inhale, both hands up. And exhale. Put your left elbow to your right knee and twist. Nice. Inhale, back up. And exhale. Try to put both knees in one line. Maybe you want to look a bit further over your left shoulder. Very good. So let's try to sit down without hands. So, all right. Very good. We're gonna massage our back a bit. So take your knees and make some small circles. Time for a gentle small massage. Very good. We want to do one inversion. So put your elbows close to your body, and with the next inhale, we're gonna lift up into a candle position. Very good. Stay here for 2 breaths. And with the next exhale, gently let them fall behind you. If this is very easy, you can also try to close your ears with your knees. And with the next inhale, come back up, nice and slow. And we're gonna roll down vertebra by vertebra again, using your abs. Nice. So, all right. Let's inhale. 1, the left knee comes to your chest. Grab it, pull it a bit closer, and make some small circles. They're getting bigger, bigger. Inhale. Grab them once more to you, then grab your tights or whatever you can get from your leg. And exhale, we're gonna extend the leg. Nice. 1 deep inhale and exhale, relax. Very good. And stop halfway, and the left knee goes to the right side. You're facing the left. Good. 1 deep inhale and exhale here. Relax. Inhale, come back up. Time for the right leg. So inhale, grab your right knee. Good. And let's draw some small circles. They're getting bigger. Yeah, some mobility. Pull it again to your chest. Inhale and exhale. Open your leg, bend your elbows so you use your full force of the muscles. 1 deep inhale and exhale here. Nice. And stop halfway and exhale. Let the right knee fall to the left side. Twist. Surrender to the ground. Very good. Knee comes back up. Stretch them out. Cool. So, one thing is missing. Roll over your left shoulder onto your stomach. Move to your mat. Nice. Let's do a bit of back stretching. Inhale, arrive up in the cobra, and bend your right knee. Look over your left shoulder, very good. And down. And inhale, back up. Try to look a bit further, as far as possible over your right shoulder, very good. We're gonna do that 2 more breaths on both sides. Shoulders are nice and loose. Really push yourself up with the arms. Very good. Last round. Yes, all right. Ready for the last stretching and also activating position. Inhale, bend your knees, grab your thighs, and come back up. Stay for 3 breaths. Slow exhale. Nice. If you push into your hands, it's more easy. Very good. Exhale and down. So we're nearly done. Good. Roll back over your right shoulder on your mat. We're nearly in Shavasana. One last bend. Inhale, come up with your abs. Just with your abs. Remove your buttocks. Inhale, stretch up your arms. And exhale. So if you have struggles with like connecting your stomach and your legs, you can also bend them and walk to the front. Nice. For people where it's easy, you can put a block here. Last stretch. One more deep breath. And with the next inhale, roll up, roll down very, very slowly. Nice. Okay. I told you it's the last, but the relaxing is always better after a bit of moving. So with the next inhale, we're gonna push everything up that we have. Our legs, our arms, and your face too. You're gonna eat a very, very sour lemon. So inhale and very good. One more time. We're gonna do it 2 more times in total. And exhale. Yes. And last round. All right, well-deserved rest. So your legs are falling loose, eyes outside, your arms are next to your body, palms facing upwards. And inhale together and exhale. Sink deeply into the mat. One more time. Feel the heaviness of your body. Sinking deeper into the mat with every breath. Start to move again your feet and fingertips. Stretch yourself if you want. And roll to one side like an embryo. Take one more deep inhale in your stomach. Maybe you want to think about something nice that already happened today. And with the next inhale, help yourself upwards into a sitting position. Keep your eyes closed if you want. Stretch out your arms. Inhale one more time together. Put your hands together over your head to your chest. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thanks for doing yoga together, and I wish you a really nice day, evening, and see you